Good afternoon everyone. In previous video we were discussing about human body, nutrition and organ system. In previous video we have discussed about the nutrition, nutrients. What are the nutrients? The substance which gives us energy, that is known as the nutrients. We talk about the different types of the nutrients. There are the carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. We talked about the balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? A diet containing all the nutrients in proper amount is called balanced diet. Now we will talk about the teeth. Topic is same. Human body, nutrition and organ system. This is class 4th. The teeth inside our mouth help in the biting and cutting the food. This is the first step of the digestion. Digestion starts in our mouth. This is known as the physical digestion. There are the two types of the digestion. One is the physical digestion, second is the chemical digestion. Physical digestion starts from our mouth and chemical digestion starts inside the body, in stomach. Sets of the teeth. By the age of the 3, a child has a set of the 20. 20 teeth. Child, what is the age? Age of the 3, they are having the 20 teeth. This set of the teeth is called the milk teeth or temporary teeth. There are the two sets of the teeth. One is the temporary teeth and second is permanent teeth. So milk teeth, as the age of the 3, child has the how many teeth? 20 teeth, or this set is known as the milk teeth or temporary teeth. Second, by the age of the 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall, a new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new sets of the teeth is called the permanent teeth. So there are the two types of the teeth, two types of the set. One is the permanent set and second is the temporary set. Temporary set, what is the total number of temporary? 20 teeth. In permanent, what is the total number? There are the 32 teeth. Every adult, you know adult above the 20 years old, usually has a set of the 32 teeth. 32 teeth, 16 in lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. The upper and lower jaw have some kinds of the teeth. They are having the different types of the teeth. So the third and final set of the molar are called wisdom teeth. They appear at the age of the 20. Clear it? Now we are talking kinds of the teeth. Kinds of the teeth. There are the 4 kinds of the teeth. These are known as the incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Clear? How many types of the teeth? We are having 4 types of the teeth. What are the name? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. First of all, we discuss about the incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisor. upper side 4 teeth and down side 4 teeth. So there is the total number 8. What is the number of incisors in the mouth? 8. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting the food. They are also called the cutting teeth. What is the number of the incisors in the mouth? They are the 8, 4 upper jaw and 4 lower jaw. What we call these incisors? They are known as the cutting teeth. Set. Okay. We make the table also. Serial number, types of teeth, kinds of teeth, total number, total number of teeth, and function. First of all, we discuss about the incisors. How many are 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw? Total teeth 8. What is the function? Helps in cutting and biting the things. Clear this? Incisor 8 number help in cutting and biting food. Second is canines. Canines are present. There are the 2 canines in each jaw, lower jaw and upper jaw. They are present on the either side of the incisors. They are very sharp and pointed teeth. They help tear the food. For this reason, they also known as the tearing teeth. They are sharper and bigger in flesh-eating animals. Now you tell me, incisor, what is the number? I have told you 2 upper jaw or 2 down lower jaw. So there is a 4 in number. What is the function of canines? Helps in tearing the food. Clear? Third one. Which one? Premolar. Premolars. Third kinds of the teeth, that is known as the premolars. There are the 4 premolars in each jaw. 4 premolars in each jaw. Upside 4 and downside. Total is 8. They are next to the canine. They are present next to the canine. After the canine, they are present. They are broad and flat. These teeth also help us crack and crush the food like nuts. They are also called cracking food. Clear it? Premolars. What is the number? 8. What is the function of premolars? Help in chewing and grinding food. Next is molars. Molars, there are the 6 molars in each jaw. 3 this side, 3 this side, 6, and 3 this side or 3 this side. 12. So total number of molars is 12. They are next to the premolar. They are present next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than the premolars. They help in grinding the food. They are also called grinding teeth. So what is the number? 6 and 12. And what is the functions? They also help in chewing and grinding food. Now see the total. Total is, we are having 32 teeth or not? 12 or 8, 20, 20 or 24 or 24 or 8, 32 teeth. Clear? And adult has the 32. There are the 4 types of the teeth. They are the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are the numbers and these are the functions. Clear? Now should I ask something? How many teeth an adult has? 32 teeth. How many sets of the teeth? There are the 3 sets of the teeth. One is milk teeth or temporary teeth. Second is permanent teeth. And next is wisdom teeth. This is the set of the molars. Okay. So there are the 3 sets. Now, kinds of the teeth. How many kinds of the teeth? There are the 4 kinds of the teeth. One is the incisor, second is the canines, third is premolars, and fourth is molars. Incisor, how many teeth are present in a mouth? 8 in number. And what is the function? Help in cutting and biting the food. Now when you are eating the apple, you cutting from the front teeth. Okay? They help in biting and cutting teeth. You can't do like this. From the premolars and molars, you can't cut the things. Okay? So they help in cutting and biting the things. Canines. Canines is 4 in number, help in tearing the food. When you eat the sugar cane, from where? You take here, with the help of the incisor. With the help of incisor, you tear it. So they help in tearing the food. Premolars, number is 8, help in chewing and grinding the food. Okay. Molars, they are the 12 number, help in chewing and grinding the food.